Hi friends, how are you? I'm fine, and I'm going to give some new lessons today. So last few weeks I was just doing some research on Bitcoin, and I was not really aware of what Bitcoin is. So I just make my research and do some background checking. So Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency, and it's a way to transfer money between cross border with no fees and no charges, and you can just do it immediately. So then I got some interest on it and wanted to know what it's about. I tried to open an account, so I thought, why not I just create a video and show to everyone how we can create Bitcoin accounts. So first of all, there are two types of accounts you can have. One that is your hardware-based account, and one that is a web-based account. So the hardware-based account is it's a kind of a software which will be installed in your PC or on your Mac or on your mobile phones with Android. And then you will get an wallet address, which will be a long string, a number digits combination, and then that is your Bitcoin wallet address. You can receive payments over there, you can send money to others, and you can do whatever you want. So that's your hardware based Bitcoin. So the issue here is that if you somehow lost that, I mean, you have a key and then your account, all the money is gone. You need to be very careful on this. For example, if your hard drive crashed, and then you might lose all your bitcoins. Then there is an web-based account also possible. So I'm just going to create a new one just today. So let me show you how we can do that. Okay, so let's go for there. Skip helper. I just need to go for web based, and we have two options, BTC or coin. So it looks like you have good option in coin. It's good, acceptable, and environment also btc.com good. So let me try an account in coin.com. I go to their website. Okay, so I'm going to create a new wallet. Okay, we are going to generate a passphrase. Now this is important. I just need to pause here because this is the key that's actually is will be my wallet. So let's just pause this video. Okay, I am back. So what they give is it's a passphrase. It's a list of words which you can use, and then a pin which you can use to send money and receive money. So I just created one my Bitcoin account, and I will have a this is my wallet address where you can send your money to me. I can also send money to others as well. So look, it's very easy. I just created a new Bitcoin account, and probably I will just add some coins over there from my credit card, and then I will just play around. So it's a kind of like interesting things to me, and I just wanted to know, and I just want to do some experiments. So thank you for watching this tutorial. It's a short one, and I hope you, if you want, you can also create your own wallet. You never know when it is required. So thank you and have a nice day. Bye.